Ready to power up with some lemony magic? Let's adventure with Circuitina Sparkle! Hey heroes! Circuitina here! Do you know what powers me up? My secret superhero fuel pack, a battery! And guess what? Today we're making power from something super cool, like a lemon. Gather round, grab your lemons, copper wires, nails, and LEDs. First, poke a copper wire and a nail into the lemon. Watch carefully as the magic begins. Connect those wires to a tiny LED, and ta-da! The LED glows! Can you believe it? The kids are jumping for joy. They just made lemon power work. You see, the lemon juice creates electricity. Let's hook up more lemons and light up even bigger LEDs. Look at those bright lights. Our little scientists are holding up their glowing LEDs like trophies. What else can we power up with our lemon batteries? The possibilities are endless. See, even something as simple as a lemon can give you power. Batteries are like secret fuel packs for gadgets. And now you know how to power up just like a superhero. Keep exploring, heroes. There's power all around you.